Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. I'm your host Timothy Holt, and this is my backyard. The very southern edge of it, actually. We are putting in a fence this week. As you can see, I already have the posts in. There is a tool that I'd highly recommend if you're going to be putting in a fence of the kind that we're putting in, and that is a post driver. It's a long piece of steel, it's pretty heavy, has two handles, and it makes putting in these T-posts right here so much easier than using a mallet or a 2-pound hammer to drive them in. But we have them in. I did that earlier today. And using a post driver, you just slide it right over the top and beat it down. It works great. Before continuing, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe and a little bell next to it. You'll get notifications every time I upload a new video covering this farm on this channel. This is Holt Growers. It's a backyard market garden. Probably wondering why we have the OSB on the ground and some tarping. Check out some previous videos covering bed prep with our southern beds. That's why that's still there. So, some tools in my hands that you'll need for this type of fence. This one here is just a regular pair of pliers. Needle nose pliers will work as well, and a flathead screwdriver. So the other thing is you'll want some of these clips. Get one out here. Some people I know, they use wire ties, but these clips work really well for the T-posts that I have. These are medium duty T-posts, and they have ridges on them. But these clips, I'll zoom in here, and you can see them are angled perfectly for that application. And now for my fence. So I could use chicken wire, but I thought chicken wire wouldn't look as nice. So this costs a little bit more, but I think it looks nicer. It's green, which is kind of nice too. But it does similar job. It's welded wire. Specifically, it's a 50-foot roll. It's a 2-inch by 3-inch welded wire. So it's going to keep most of your larger rodents out. Cats. Any cats might be able to climb it, but dogs, other small game out of your garden beds. It works very well. It also is going to keep our chickens in. It is 4 foot tall, which is the minimum height for chicken retention. You don't want to go lower than that or they'll just jump over it. So, and we have a 5-foot post that we're using. So those are sticking out 4 feet, and they're 1 foot buried with a guard, and this is it. My son is going to help me. We're going to do this video in more of a time lapse, covering putting in this fence line as well as the gate for it this week. So stay tuned for the rest, and stay happy, stay healthy, get out, grow something today. Well, it's this week we ran into some troubles with the fence behind me. The time lapse worked pretty well, but on the hot days it cut out, and the biggest problem we had was the ground. So I tried to countersink those posts right back behind me. 3 feet into the ground, 5 feet sticking up. They're 8-foot posts. Most of the dirt that we're standing on is clay, so I didn't think I would need concrete, but I'm going to have to pick up a bag of concrete and concrete them in anyway. The fence pulled them right out. So this coming week we'll get that done. Probably highlight it in the next video next week on its progress. Also, you can see next to me here, the wind has blown some of our black plastic off. I'm leaving it open right now. It's pretty overcast. It's supposed to rain, and our chickens are out roaming in the backyard so they can do their thing under that plastic. So I'm not too worried about the weeds germinating, and if they do, so be it. Cover it back up, sun bakes it, and they're gone. This coming week, plan on getting this ground all tilled out, leveled out, and hopefully some cover crop seeds planted on it. You can probably hear the birds clucking behind the camera here. I did put some plywood and OSB covering where the gate is going. I can't finish off the gate until I get those posts in place, so that's going to be this coming week. I'm going to cut this video at that. Sometimes you run into hiccups and things take longer than you expect. It's the way it goes. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the like. Also the bell. I try to upload a new video covering Holt Growers every week. And this is Timothy Holt. May God bless you. As always, get out, grow something today.